Hello everyone. In this video we are going to see the adder. Okay, so adder is a combinational circuit, logic circuit, which is used to add the 2 bits. Okay, so it is basically the logic circuit. So let us see. The adder is a combinational logic circuit which is designed to add 2 single bit numbers. Okay, so the adder is having the types, those are half adder and full adder. So half adder means the adder without carry in bit. Okay, so this half adder is having only 2 inputs and 2 outputs, whereas in full adder, the full adder is having 3 inputs, that is with carry in bit. Okay, so let us see the block diagram of half adder first. Okay, so in this block diagram only 2 inputs are available, that is called A and B. So you can take here any names, and the outputs are sum and carry. So the sum and carry are the 2 outputs. These are fixed output in both the types, but in full adder the third input is also available, that is with carry in. Okay, so in full adder you will have the third input also. So let us see how to implement the half adder circuit. Okay, so to start with the half adder, let us start with the truth table of half adder. So we have the 2 inputs, those are A and B. A, B are the input bits, and the output bits are sum and carry. Sum and carry. I will write here S and C for sum and carry. So the 2 bit makes 4 combinations. So we'll write here 4 combinations: 0 0, 0 1, 1 0 and 1 1. Okay. Now the sum will give you 1 bit sum, okay, of these A and B bits. So here 0 plus 0 is 0, and the carry is not being generated here, so write here 0. Then 0 plus 1 is sum is 0, but the carry is not being generated from this addition, so write here 0. Okay, then for the third addition, 1 plus 0 is 1, so sum will be 1, but no carry is generated from this addition. Then 1 plus 1 is 2, so how to write 2? 2 means sum is 0 and carry is generated here. Okay, so this way the sum and carry are getting from this 2 bit addition. Now the next step is we have to draw the K map for this 2 bits input. Okay, so whichever combinations are having ones in the sum and carry, only those ones should be considered, or those combinations of A and B should be considered to write the equation. Okay, to minimize the Boolean expression. So for some expression we will draw the K map. Okay, so for some K map, we should have 2 by 2 K map. So here first bit is A and second bit is B. Okay, so write here 0 and 1's possible combinations. Now for which combinations the sum is having 1, only those combinations we have to consider for filling the ones here. Okay, so for 0 1 combination the sum is having 1, so for 0 1 we are having 1. Okay, for some K map. Then for 1 0 combination also we are having 1, so 1 0, so here we should write 1. Okay, now we will obtain the expression for summation. So sum is equal to, we write complemented variable for 0 and we write normal variable for 1. So here 1 is here, so A bar B plus here is also 1, so A B bar. Now from this expression we know that this expression is of XOR gate. Okay, so we can simply write here A XOR with B. Okay, so this is our sum expression. Now in the same way we will write we will draw the K map for carry out. Okay, so for carry out K map, or we will simply write C K map for carry out. A and B, write the possible combinations, that is 0 1 0 1. Now in this truth table we have only once the logic 1 here, and for that which combination it is there, A B, that is 1 1. So 1 1 this place. Okay, now for C we should write the combination, so normal variable for 1 and complemented variable for 0. Okay, so here 1 1 means A B. Okay, so here it is the simply ending of A and B. Okay, so from this two equations we can say that to implement the half adder we require one XOR gate and one AND gate. Okay, so we will implement this here. Implementation of half adder. So we have to use one XOR gate and one AND gate. Okay, so take line from A and B, give it to XOR input gate. Similarly take lines from A and B, give it to AND gate. So at the output of XOR gate we will get sum, and at the output of AND gate we will get here C, that is carry out. Okay, so this is how we can implement the half adder logic circuit. Okay, thank you.